Welcome to Baloch Scholarship Corner. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get more information regarding scholarship, internship and much more. Hello guys, welcome to another exciting scholarship information. The scholarship Germany, study in Germany fully funded. The scholarship 2022 and 23. Government of Germany scholarship is announced. Scholarship you have been waiting for, finally the scholarship is announced right now here. Fully funded for master, MBA, PhD and LLM scholarship. The scholarship provided at the top university in Germany. I will provide this website link under the video description. You can get it from there, and I will tell you that how to apply and what this scholarship is providing. The scholarship 2022 and 23 details. The country is Germany. Eligible countries: international student, gender male and female, field upper multi, finances fully covered, degree upper master, MPhil, MBA, LLM, PhD. Deadline depend on the university. You can check the official site. The deadline is mentioned there. Field available: media studies, engineering and related science, development cooperation, regional and urban planning, mathematics, social sciences, education and law, medicine, public health, natural and environmental science, agriculture and forest science, economic sciences, business administration, political economics. These are the fields which are providing scholarship. The scholarship eligibility criteria: to apply for the scholarship, candidate must fulfill the following criteria. International student can apply. Applicant must have at least 2 year professional experience. It means working experience. You have worked somewhere, any institution. You must have at least 2 year experience. Applicant should have a bachelor degree in a relevant field. Applicant's degree must not be older than 6 years. Financial coverage: the government scholarship are fully funded. It will offer the following financial coverage to the scholar: health coverage, monthly rent. These are two-way tickets. These are the financial coverage which this scholarship provides. Required documents: certified academic letter and signed CV, professional letter of recommendation, confirmation letter of the employment from the applicant home country, and signed letter of motivation, and TOEFL or IELTS. These are two kinds of international language tests. Academic TOEFL only accepted. You must provide TOEFL or IELTS certificate for this scholarship. German language test of the courses that are taught in the German language. Let's check it out how to apply. This is the official link. Let's go to the official link. This is the official link. This is the official site. Find a scholarship, finding a scholarship, and the basic requirement: the status, graduate, country, and these are the mentioned. Overview, you can read it out here. Application requirement, you can click application requirement, you can check it here. Application procedure, concept and consulting objective. These are all information regarding this scholarship. What can be funded? Click here to check your funded and list of. You can click here to check the eligible country list. These are countries which are eligible for these scholarship. You can check it out your own country. If you are belong from Pakistan, check it out here. South and Central Asia, these are Pakistan is also here. Selection candidate, this is the selection, and further information you can contact these or check it out here. First of all, now you have to create a portal. Application procedure, apply and check it out. The application procedure, this is the application procedure. Please select your status country. You can choose your country and select your desiring scholarship program and apply now. Thank you for watching. I hope this will help you. Please do subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any other scholarship, internship and much more.